What's going on, Pro Cutters? We're working on the footers today. I got Dalton out here with me and we're going to get her done. More new toys, unboxing. Got the Klutch rebar cutter and bender. Got Dalton out here, King Concrete. Got the brick stands, got the rebar, doing work on the footers. You guys need a concrete man, hit me up. I'll get you Dalton's information. Booyah. All right, guys, so now we're going to have a race to see what's faster, the manual rebar cutter or the gas-powered saw, which we're using the cutter. Now, I'm cutting one, Dalton's cutting two, so it's not quite fair, but we are talking a gas-operated piece of equipment to a manual piece of equipment, so.
Blade. It's not fair.
All right, guys, now to bend the rebar on your big one is your pivot. That's where you're going to put your mark. And then a full pull takes you to 90 degrees. Bam. And then we're working on a corner with a step for block work. And those 90 degrees need to go opposite of one another, so we move it to our next mark. And boom, there's our piece. So now you can see what it looks like here in the corner. It'll be tied in up there at that corner, and then it comes down here, drops down 8-inch. There'll be a bulkhead over here. And so we're 8-inch for block work, and then it comes around and ties into the other side. Cutters. To tie these wire ties, you need a wire tie twister. Obviously, you need the wire ties. You bring one up from the underside of the steel. You put your wire tie twister through the two eyes, and you twist it just so it's tight enough. Now, let me show you an example of over twisting. Come over here, put your tie on, and if you twist a little too far, you can see you'll twist the end right off. If that happens, you need to put another one on in that location. Thanks for watching. going on, Pro Cutters? Good morning. So yesterday we got all the steel put in the footers. It's standing up on bricks. We've got 3 rows in the footers all the way around. Got a triple grid in each of the potholes. And then when you come around to this side, we've had to do a few bulkheads. So you got a bulkhead right here. The footer will step down 8 inches to be on block work. And it steps down another 8 inches here. And the reason we had to step it down was because this is where the mountain originally came down. So you can kind of make out the topsoil level right there. So we had to dig down a little bit to get to good firm soil. And then over here, 16-inch bulkhead because it steps back up. So we've got the inspector coming this morning to inspect it, to make sure it's okay. And as long as he gives the stamp of approval, we'll have concrete 1 o'clock Thursday afternoon. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. David Bleasby, this one's for you, brother. Have you had the Chick-fil-A chicken biscuit yet for breakfast? If you haven't, get one. Thank me later.